Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're going to review this 2006 Hoover Wind Tunnel 2. It's bagless. Thing is, what's wrong with this thing? It has no suction. It was like this when I got it. I checked if it was clogged, and guess what? It was not clogged. So, I don't know what the problem is with it. So, the brush works fine. This whole front piece was broke off because I got it off of eBay. This is like the only place I had at the vacuum shop, so yeah. So let's start vacuuming, shall we? So I got this vacuum off of eBay for I think like $70, I think, something like that. And I got my fold away from the vacuum shop. So near me, it's in my area, so good old, I live in Ohio, obviously. I'm going to tangle this cord like always. Okay. Alrighty, here we go. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below what vacuum I should do comparison with. And shout out to Vacuum and Carpet Cleaner Guy, Vacuum and Shampooer Boy. And have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Bye.